Hello Pythonista. What is the best system to learn Python and AI? Is it Windows or Linux?
Hello. Both Windows and Linux are great for learning Python and AI. It ultimately depends on personal preference and what tools you need.
Is Ubuntu a Linux distribution?
Ubuntu is a popular choice for Python and AI due to its ease of use and compatibility with many AI libraries. However, other operating systems like Windows and macOS can also be used effectively for Python and AI development. It ultimately depends on your personal preference and the specific tools you need for your project.
Then, is Ubuntu the best choice for Python and AI? What do you think about that?
Ubuntu is a great choice for Python and AI development due to its ease of use and compatibility with many AI libraries. However, other operating systems like Windows and macOS can also be used effectively for Python and AI development. It ultimately depends on your personal preference and the specific tools you need for your project.
Okay, what is the best platform to practice Python or machine learning?
There are many platforms available for practicing Python and machine learning, such as Jupyter-Notebook, Google Colab, and Kaggle. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface and access to powerful computing resources. It's best to choose a platform that suits your needs and skill level.
Let me talk about Anaconda distribution. What can you say to me about that?
Anaconda is a popular distribution of Python and its libraries, often used for data science and machine learning. It comes with many pre-installed libraries and tools that are commonly used in these fields, making it a convenient choice for beginners and experts alike. Additionally, Anaconda provides a user-friendly interface and access to powerful computing resources, making it a great platform for practicing Python and machine learning. Anaconda is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a versatile platform for developers.
Okay, if I choose Anaconda to work with jupyter-notebook or Spyder or PyCharm, is it a best choice for me?
Yes, if you choose Anaconda, you can use it with popular Python development environments like jupyter-notebook, Spyder, or PyCharm. Anaconda comes with these environments pre-installed, along with many other useful libraries and tools for data science and machine learning. Using Anaconda with one of these environments can provide a powerful and user-friendly platform for developing Python code and working on machine learning